Did you know over 4.7 billion passengers flew in 2023 alone, yet most of them missed out on simple hacks that would have made their flights smoother, cheaper, and way more comfortable? If you've ever felt trapped in a middle seat, dealt with dry skin at 30,000 feet, or paid more than you should have for a ticket, this video is for you. Today, I'm sharing 8 flight secrets most travelers never hear about, but once you do, you'll never fly the same way again. Let's get into it. Number 1. Strategically choose your seat for stability. If you're aiming for a smoother flight, selecting a seat over the wings is a practical choice. This area aligns with the aircraft's center of gravity, which helps in minimizing the sensation of turbulence. Pilots and aviation experts often recommend these seats for passengers sensitive to motion, as the aircraft pivots around this central point, reducing the up and down movements felt during turbulence. Conversely, seats located at the rear of the plane tend to experience more pronounced motion, as they are farther from this central pivot point. This increased movement can lead to discomfort, especially for those prone to motion sickness. Additionally, the rear of the aircraft is typically closer to the lavatories, which can introduce unwanted odors and increased foot traffic, further impacting passenger comfort. By choosing a seat over the wings, you're positioning yourself in the most stable part of the aircraft, enhancing your overall in-flight experience. Number 2. Combat jet lag with hydration and electrolytes. Jet lag can leave you feeling drained and disoriented, and dehydration is a significant contributor to these symptoms. The low humidity in airplane cabins, often below 20%, accelerates fluid loss through respiration and skin evaporating. This environment can lead to symptoms like fatigue, headaches, and impaired cognitive function. While drinking water is essential, it may not be sufficient to restore the body's electrolyte balance. Electrolytes such as sodium, potassium, and magnesium are crucial for cellular hydration and energy production. Replenishing these can be achieved through electrolyte-rich beverages or supplements. Some travelers opt for intravenous hydration therapy, which delivers fluids and nutrients directly into the bloodstream for rapid rehydration. This method can quickly alleviate jet lag symptoms by restoring hydration levels and electrolyte balance. If you're finding these tips helpful, then do not forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with your friend. Number 3. Maintain skin and eye moisture. Airplane cabins are extremely dry, often with humidity levels below 20%, which is even drier than the Sahara Desert. This lack of moisture can quickly take a toll on your skin and eyes, especially during long-haul flights. Your skin may start to feel tight, flaky, or irritated, while your eyes can become red and dry, particularly if you wear contact lenses. To keep your skin hydrated, apply a good moisturizer, preferably one that's fragrance-free and rich in hydrate. Wearing long sleeves and avoiding alcohol or caffeine also helps your body retain moisture. As for your eyes, it's best to switch to glasses if you typically wear contacts, and pack a bottle of preservative-free lubricating eye drop. These can help you avoid discomfort during the flight. Also, try to limit your screen time and redirect the overhead air vent away from your face. Number 4. Enhance circulation with in-seat exercises. Sitting still for hours on a flight can lead to poor circulation, causing swelling, stiffness, and even increasing the risk of deep vein thrombosis. To keep your blood flowing and muscles engaged, incorporate simple in-seat exercises throughout your journey. Start with ankle circles. Lift your feet slightly off the floor and rotate your ankles in both directions. This movement helps stimulate blood flow in your lower legs. Follow up with seated calf raises by lifting your heels while keeping your toes on the floor, then lowering them and lifting your toe. Repeat this motion several times to activate your calf muscles. Engage your thighs with knee lifts. Raise one knee toward your chest, hold briefly, then lower it and switch sides. This exercise promotes circulation and reduces stiffness. Don't forget your upper body. Perform shoulder rolls by lifting your shoulders toward your ears, rolling them back and then down. This helps relieve tension in your neck and shoulders. Additionally, seated spinal twists can alleviate back stiffness. Place one hand on the opposite knee and gently twist your torso, holding for a few seconds before switching sides. Aim to do these exercises every hour during your flight. They require minimal space and can significantly improve your comfort and reduce health risks associated with prolonged sitting. Number 5. Sanitize high-touch surface. Airplanes turn over quickly between flights, and while crews do their best to tidy up, thorough sanitation often falls through the cracks, especially on high-touch surfaces. The tray table, seatbelt buckle, armrests, touchscreen, and overhead air vent are some of the most bacteria-laden areas on a plane. In fact, studies like the one by Travel Math found that tray tables can carry more germs per square inch than the lavatory flush button. Passengers use them for everything from eating to changing diapers, and they're rarely disinfected properly between flights. To reduce your exposure to germs, bring a small pack of disinfectant wipes in your carry-on. Once seated, take a moment to wipe down the tray table, buckle, screen, and arm
armrests of any surface you'll be in contact with. It only takes a minute and can make a big difference in avoiding illness. Planes are high-traffic environments with limited deep cleaning, so protecting yourself isn't just smart. It's necessary for a safer, healthier trip.
Number 6, pre-order special meals for quality and promptness. Airline food has a bad reputation, but there's a smart way to upgrade your in-flight meal without spending a dime more. Pre-order a special meal. Most airlines offer options like vegetarian, vegan, kosher, halal, gluten-free, or low-sodium meals that are prepared separately in smaller batches. Since these meals have to meet specific dietary guidelines, they're often handled with more care and loaded onto the plane earlier than the standard options. That also means you'll typically be served before everyone else, which is a huge perk on long flights. Early service gives you more time to relax afterward and a better shot at getting your preferred drink or dessert before supplies run out. Another benefit, these meals are usually fresher since they don't sit in the same bulk containers as regular meals. Even if you don't have a dietary restriction, requesting a special meal can be a simple way to improve your onboard dining experience. Just be sure to order it at least 24 hours in advance. Number 7, utilize seat maps for optimal seating. Choosing the right seat can completely change your flight experience, and it's not just about the window or aisle. Seat maps, especially from sites like Seat Guru, let you see the layout of your specific aircraft model before you even check in. These maps show more than just where the bathrooms and exits are. They flag seats with limited recline, extra legroom, misaligned windows, or ones that are too close to noisy galleys. For example, some exit row seats have more legroom but don't recline, and bulkhead seats may offer space but no underseat storage. A few minutes of research can help you avoid seats that are known for being cramped or unusually loud. If you're flying long haul, look for seats away from lavatories and kitchens, as those areas tend to have more traffic and noise. And for overnight flights, you'll want a seat that minimizes disturbances. Use the seat map after booking, during check-in, or even through your airline's app to find a spot that matches your comfort needs. Number 8, pack essentials for in-flight comfort. Flying can be exhausting, even more so if you're unprepared. That's why packing a few simple in-flight essentials can make the difference between a miserable ride and a relaxing journey. First, invest in a quality neck pillow, not the cheap inflatable ones that feel like balloons, but a memory foam or ergonomic design that supports your head properly. An eye mask and a good pair of noise-canceling headphones or earplugs help block out light and engine hum, letting you rest more easily, especially on overnight flights. Lip balm and a travel-sized moisturizer will protect your skin from the dry cabin air, while a toothbrush and face wipes can keep you feeling fresh after hours in your seat. It's also smart to pack a change of underwear and a clean shirt, just in case of delays or lost luggage. Lastly, bringing your own snacks, protein bars, or trail mix can save you from relying solely on airplane food. These small items don't take up much space, but they add a lot to your comfort in the sky.